hidden goodwill. A and B are partners who have contributed a capital of 10,000 each. They admit C for 1/4 share in the profits and C brings in the capital of 10,000. What is the entry for goodwill? If C is admitted for 1/4 share and brings in a capital of 10,000, what does it mean? 1/4 share is equal to 10,000. Therefore, total capital is equal to 10,000 into 4 by 1 equal to 40,000. This is the total capital of the firm. This should be the total capital of the firm. But what is the capital of the firm? A, 10,000, B, 10,000, and now C, 10,000, 30,000. Therefore, this difference, the balance amount, extra amount, is the amount of goodwill equal to 10,000. What would be the entry for goodwill? If an entry is asked for the gaining partner, who stands to gain? C stands to gain. Entry for goodwill would be C's capital account debit with what? With his share of goodwill, which is 1/4 of 10,000 being goodwill. C's capital account debit 2,500 to A's capital to B's capital. Since their old partners' profit sharing ratio seems to be equal before as well as after, this would be 1,250, 1,250. This would be the journal entry. C's capital account debited with his share in the goodwill, that's 1/4 of 10,000, to A's capital to B's capital, that is in the sacrificing ratio. We did not have to compute because the A and B were equal partners before, and A and B continue to have the same equation after admission of C between themselves. Therefore, C's capital account debit 2,500 to A's capital to B's capital 1,250 each. Neeraj and Gopi are partners with 5 lakh capital each. They admitted Champak for 1/4 share with 8 lakh capital. Profit and loss credit balance is 4 lakh. Find the amount of hidden goodwill. Now what is the goodwill here? Let us see. He comes in for 1/4 share with 8 lakh capital. So 1/4 share is equal to 8 lakh. Therefore total share 1 is equal to 8 lakh into 4 by 1 equal to 32 lakhs. So this should be the total capital. What is the capital? Neeraj's capital is 5 lakh. Gopi's capital is 5 lakh. Champak has brought in 8 lakh. And there is a profit and loss credit balance which will belong to Neeraj and Gopi. Profits are a part of the partner's net worth, what belongs to the partners. So profit and loss account is 4 lakh. So totally the capital that they have is 22 lakhs. But total share in capital here appears to be 32 lakh. Therefore, the amount of hidden goodwill must be 32 lakh minus 22 lakh is equal to 10 lakhs. Option A, 10 lakh must be the correct answer.